Tell everybody what you're gonna do.
I'm gonna do mommy makeup today.
Okay. Foundation first.
Okay. I can't open it.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Gotta put it all over mommy's face. Okay.
That enough? That enough, mommy?
You gotta tell me. You're doing my makeup. You gotta put it all over.
That tickles? That tickles?
Okay. Put it on this side too.
Is that enough?
I don't think that's enough. Okay, you gotta put some more. Put some where they don't have any. Put it everywhere they don't have none. Okay, look on mommy's face and see where you need some. Put it in the empty spot. I think it's enough on that side. You gotta put it all over.
Okay, I can't do it.
You can do it. Come on. You wanna do mommy makeup? Okay. Now put it on the top. All right. I think that's good. Okay, good job.
Okay. I need to do nose.
Now you gotta blend it out, okay?
Okay.
You gotta rub it all in.
Okay, put that on it. Okay, done now. Ooh, that's so fun. Good. Stop rubbing.
You gotta rub it in.
Ooh, it's so pretty. So pretty, mommy.
Rub it all in. Make sure you get everything. Rub it in.
Oh, so pretty. It's so happy. I think I'm all done. I'm all done.
It's rubbed in? You
Yeah.
rubbed it all in?
Yeah.
I think you need to rub it in some more.
Okay.
Rub it everywhere. Like do like this. Just go like that. Just rub it all in. Just rub it. Okay?
Don't put it in your eyes.
Yes, ma'am.
It's not one.
Rub it hard. Go ahead.
He's so funny.
Okay. That's good. Good job. You did good. Okay.
Oh, that's
So
so
let's
pretty.
see.
That's
Now
so,
we gotta do you gotta do concealer, okay?
Okay.
So you gotta put this under mommy eye, okay?
Okay.
Here, take this part.
I'm not gonna hurt you.
No, you're not gonna hurt me. Under mommy eye. Okay, now under the other eye.
You all done?
Now you gotta mix it again, okay?
Okay. I'm gonna hurt you.
No, you're not gonna hurt me. It's okay.
Oh.
Now you gotta take your brush.
Yeah. Oh, that's cold. So happy.
Okay.
Oh, you're so funny. Think all done?
Okay, you think you're all done?
Yeah.
It's rubbed in?
Yeah.
It's blended really good?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right, let's move on then.
Okay.
I think we're gonna rub it like that.
Don't hurt yourself. There's someone you know. There's someone you know.
You put it on my nose.
Oh, did I need rub on your nose? Okay.
Okay.
Oh, put it right there too.
Mm-hmm.
You got that anywhere on your face.
Mm-hmm.
When you're so funny, you say crown.
Okay,
Whoa,
so
whoa, 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 whoa.
now you gotta put this one on mommy cheeks.
What's that?
That's contour. Put it on mommy cheeks, like right here, okay? This way, like that, okay? Okay. You're gonna put a little bit up here, a little bit right here.
You like polka dot. Oh, I don't want to break it.
It's not gonna break. Okay, now you gotta blend it in, okay?
Okay, right. I mean, brush. Okay. So that's so good.
Okay, you gotta rub it in. Rub it real good.
Okay. You're so funny.
I'm not pretty.
Yeah, you're pretty.
Okay.
You just say crown.
I look like a clown?
Yeah. They're like, you have big as your nose. I see.
Blend it out. Blend everything.
Okay.
Blend all the brown.
Okay.
Make sure you get my head too.
Okay. I do it. I do so pretty.
Thank you.
I need to do on your eye. You mean close your eyes.
Okay, we're gonna get there. We're gonna get there.
Okay, I got that.
Okay, so let's see. Next, we're gonna set our face. Okay, so you can rub this all over mommy's face.
I need to.
Okay. So tell everyone now we're gonna go in with some powder.
Oh, yeah, put that on me.
I'm not putting it on you. Tell the camera we're gonna go in with some powder.
I'm gonna come put powder on mommy.
You need to get some more. Get some more. Make sure you put it everywhere, on top and bottom, and cheeks, okay? On my forehead.
And on your nose?
Everywhere.
It tickles? What happened? Please stop. It's not tickles. Hey.
Okay. Okay. You gotta put some more. Make sure you get mommy chin.
Okay.
Let's rub it a lot.
Okay, like that.
Okay. Get everywhere.
It's so pretty.
Thank you.
And there was smoke in it.
It's what?
And it's like dirt. It's like dirt. No, it's like dirt.
Okay.
Are you all done?
Are you all done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right. Let's see.
I need you.
You want to do blush now?
Yeah.
This one?
Yeah. So pretty.
Okay, so now you're going to put these on mommy cheeks, okay?
Okay.
And rub it in there. Rub the blush. Okay, now just on mommy cheeks. Okay?
Are you all done?
You all done?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, so next, what are we going to do next?
I just broke that one.
It's okay. Okay, now you want to do mommy eyes?
Yeah.
Okay, well, let's finish the face first. Okay, you want to do highlighter?
Yeah.
Now you got to put these. Put it on there for you.
Oh, thank you. Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome. Okay, so now you put these right here, okay? Just right here. Okay.
Are you all done?
And what about on mommy nose right there?
Okay. It tickles?
A little bit. Okay, good job. Good job. Okay. So now
I need.
do mommy eyes, okay?
Oh, don't break that. Don't break that one. So pretty. Don't put it on my lips. Yeah.
Okay, so now you can use whichever one you want.
Where's the mine?
Okay, wait. We got you doing mommy's first. Okay. So which one you want to use?
Right.
Okay. You gotta put a lot on there. Okay, and you're gonna put that on mommy eyes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Who's so pretty? How red?
Can you put some more?
Yeah. Oh, it's there.
Okay. Put it on this eye. No, the eye.
Ah. That's funny. Let me wipe that off.
No, it's okay.
Ah. I'm done now.
Will you do that?
Yeah, I need to. Yeah, I done. Close it.
Okay.
I need.
Let's see what else we got. What else do you need to do? Want to put eyeliner on mommy eye?
Yeah.
Okay. Hold it. Okay. Now you just put a line by mommy lashes. Okay.
Okay. It's tickle. You want to tickle?
It's okay. On mama eye, kind of crazy. Okay. Okay. Now do this side. Okay. You all done?
Yeah. You're so pretty.
Okay.
Yes, you're not pretty.
Oh. What?
No, you're so pretty.
Okay. So now you gotta put some mascara on mommy eye.
Okay.
And this goes on my eyelashes. Okay. All better? All done?
Yeah, no, I know. Yeah, I all done.
Okay.
I need some more makeup.
Okay, so now we're gonna move on to lips, okay?
Okay.
You wanna put this
so-
mommy some lipstick on?
Yeah. Oh, that's how I Hey, stop! Well, I don't want to fall down.
Okay, you need some more?
That's a pretty stick. Oh, I don't. It's fun good. I all done. Okay.
Okay, good job. Okay. You all done?
No. Yeah, I all done.
Okay, so now you gotta spray mommy face. You gotta push the button down, okay? And spray all over mommy face. Can you do it?
Yeah.
Wait, let's see. Okay.
You're not done yet.
We not done. What do we need? You need more of that? Okay.
Done now.
Okay. Okay. Okay, we have a little bit more. Okay, that's enough, I think. Oh, okay, that's okay, that's okay. We'll pick that up, okay? Now you gotta blend it out again. You put more, so you gotta rub it in.
I'm tired of this.
Okay, rub it in and we'll be all done, okay?
Okay.
Rub it all in, everywhere. Everywhere you put it, everywhere.
Okay. I try being great with you.
What?
Stop.
What?
I try great with you.
You whip me?
Yeah, you try being angry.
I'm not being angry. Okay. All right. You all done? Okay. We all done?
I need some more makeup.
I think we all done, okay?
No, I'm not.
What do you need, Kai Gracie?
I need eyeliner.
We we put eyeliner on already.
Oh.
Okay. Now we tell the people, okay? Look at the camera.
Why so pretty?
Say bye.
Bye.